friends! Today we're going to learn how to multiply fractions. Ready? Let's go! Multiplying fractions is super easy once you know the rule. Rule 1. Multiply the numerators together. Now, Rule 2. Multiply the denominators together. Let's do an example together to see it in action. We'll start with an example. Multiply 1/2 by 3/4. Multiply numerators. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now multiply denominators. 2 times 4 equals 8. So our answer is 3/8. Awesome! Let's try another one to make sure we've got it. Now multiply 2/3 by 3/5. Multiply the numerators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now the denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. That gives us 6/15. Now simplify both numbers by dividing by 3. That gives 2/5. So, to multiply fractions, multiply top with top and bottom with bottom, and simplify if you can. Great! Let's see if you can solve a few yourself. Now it's your turn to multiply some fractions. First one. Multiply 3/4 by 1/2. What's your answer? Take a few seconds to solve it. The answer is 3/8. Great work! Let's try one more together. Next, multiply 2/5 by 5/8. Ready? Try it yourself. The answer is 1/4. Fantastic! You're really getting it. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Step 1. Multiply the numerators and denominators directly. Step 2. Simplify your answer if you can. That's it. You've mastered multiplying fractions. Well done! Great job today. Thanks for learning with BrightStack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.